Hey, good morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Wondering if we are going to have record warmth today, and I think we will. What's going on is we are starting already warmer than what all of the data shows us we should be starting, which means that as you get to record levels, the computer models don't do exactly accurate right at the record levels. You can understand that when you're 30, 35 degrees warmer than normal. You can understand that how something wouldn't be just exactly perfect. For example, right now Traverse City at 55 degrees already, and the best model I could find forecasted Traverse City to hit 53 later today. So obviously that's not working. Hey, Boat Daddy, Brian Donaldson, good morning. And Sherry Simmons, good morning. So here are the high temperatures from the National Weather Service today. Now this bodes well, at least for human beings being into meteorology, because this is their forecast. The computer models are all cooler than this by several degrees, and I think the Weather Service is probably going to need to update by several degrees too. What I'm saying is, take any of these numbers and probably add about 5 degrees at least onto it. So where you're seeing the upper 50s, it's probably going to be low to mid 60s, 63 to 65 in this whole region. We're already at 50 degrees in a lot of spots and blue skies. Traverse City 57, it's 55 already, probably heading to about 65 degrees there. And you can also kind of see how different National Weather Service offices have a different thought on what's going to happen. Like, for example, you see this carving right here. That's the Grand Rapids service area, and obviously they are cooler in their forecast, and they're probably going to have to bump those up. But regardless, this is a near record to record setting day as far as temperatures go. Sunshine, a lot of wind out of the southwest, so that'll kind of cancel it out, and dry conditions. What about Brooklyn? You're looking at temperatures probably, I would say, again, add 5 onto that, so I think you're looking at 63. What do we got heading down Dundee way? You're looking at the same thing, probably about 63. Joe says we need a blizzard. We'll get there. We'll get there at some point, and the warmer it stays for long, probably the greater the chances of a blizzard at some point. Hey, Judy, Lori King's from Brooklyn too. Whitehall, I think you're going to probably be 60 degrees in Whitehall. Low 70s in Old Hickory, Tennessee. All right, okay, so all we really have to talk about is warm weather and when it will come to an end. In Bath, you're looking at about 60 to 65 degrees too. Okay, this is the temperature anomaly from a computer model. And remember, again, when you see the reds going into the browns, I guess you'd call it, that's warmer than normal temperatures. And when you see the blues, greens, and purples, colder than normal. And the point being here is, as I scan this through, let's see, this is Thursday, and we'll go to Friday. Someone's dancing with the light, and someone's in North Carolina and probably doesn't care about the Michigan weather. Yeah, it is almost shorts weather, Michigan here in Ray. This is Saturday. So again, I mean, look at that. That's a warm country. All warmer than normal. It's hard to become cold when most of the country and Canada is warmer than normal. Now we're getting into Monday, and what is this? This is temperatures 35 degrees warmer than normal out to the west as a storm system forms here and pumps mild air in ahead of it. Hey, good morning, Harrison, Michigan. Rebecca Carlson. And then we are into Tuesday now of next week. Still showing warmer than normal temperatures. Now the European model at this point, which I can't show you, starts to bring colder temperatures in. And I'll be honest, the European model, which used to be the best model, for some reason in the last few months has always wanted to turn us cold out at 8, 9, 10 days. So maybe our US model is going to become better in the long term. Let's end it at 10 days out, and you are looking at temperatures still warmer than normal and another big slug of warm air. So in other words, there really is no cold air anywhere in sight right now. From Houston, hey, good morning. And good morning, Jody. Brian Donaldson, looks good. Mark, hope it can last until after 5. I'll go for a bike ride. Yes, it will last all day. Southwesterly wind, so you're probably looking at temperatures in the 50s as you bike ride at 5 o'clock tonight, Brian Donaldson. A lot of people liking this. So, you know, this is my contention that we do like winter here in Michigan, about 50% of us. But when you get a warm spell early, a lot of folks really don't complain unless you're a hardcore skier and unless you plow snow for a living or have a ski resort. So there you have it. Probably close to 65 in a lot of places today. The record highs are 65 to 69 degrees generally in southern Michigan. My wife just woke up and I just got a ho 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 when she heard 65, so that's a good thing. The rest of the week, cooler in the mid to upper 40s, but that's still warmer than normal. So have yourself a great